Bowers Wilkins is one of the most iconic brands of loudspeakers in all of consumer electronics. So much so that their 800 series, their premium loudspeakers, have been used at the famous Abbey Road recording studios in London for what we believe is now in their fifth decade. Now, George Lucas's Skywalker Ranch out in California has also been using 800 series speakers for their mixing and mastering of all those wonderful soundtracks. And you can find Bowers Wilkins 800 series speakers literally in recording studios all over the world. So today, Bowers Wilkins has announced that there is now the fifth generation of this iconic 800 Diamond series. These models are scheduled to ship in the fall of 2026, and we couldn't be more excited. So let's walk you through the new models that they're announcing that will show up this fall. First is the flagship of the line, the 801 D5, with twin 10-inch bass drivers. Next, the 802 D5, which has twin 8-inch bass drivers. Similar performance, won't quite fill as big of a room with as much bass as you'd get with the 801. Next, the 803 D5 with twin 7-inch bass drivers. Now, all three of these products have the all-aluminum turbine head housing the continuum mid-range cone. So the mid-range is completely isolated from both the bass enclosure and the tweeter. Next is the 804 D5 floor stander. It has twin 6.5-inch bass drivers, and this time the tweeter is on top. Next, the 805 D5 stand mount speaker. Now, this is the most compact in the series, but it's also one of the most popular. It's got a diamond dome tweeter and a 6.5-inch midwoofer that can fill a surprisingly large room with great sound. They also make two premium center channel speakers in this series. First, the HTM 81 D5. That's their best center channel with twin 8-inch bass units and a 6-inch mid-range, plus the diamond dome tweeter. And the HTM 82 D5, the center channel speaker that's got twin 6.5-inch bass drivers. Thank you for joining us today. If you haven't so far, please like and subscribe. It's free and it helps us out a ton. And drop a comment down below so we can chat with you as well. So now let's check out the upgrades in the Diamond D5 series. The first one is that there are 4 new finishes. We've got stealth black, warm white, and both a light walnut and a dark walnut. The next upgrade is leather biconnelly. The top section of every stereo model features an aluminum top plate, and it's covered in all new leather biconnelly trim selected to suit each cabinet finish. So every model in the new 800 series benefits from a new matrix bracing. It's got solid plywood that they've reinforced with aluminum at key points to keep resonance down. So the benefit to you is you get even less cabinet resonance than you would have in the 800 D4 series. You'll hear more of the music that you love. The next benefit is aluminum space frame bracing rails on each of the cabinets. And again, the benefit is going to be that D5 cabinets will be even more resistant to vibration than their D4 predecessors. So the mid-range especially is going to be even more open and clear sounding than what you would have gotten before. Should give us a nice upgrade in the bass as well.
So rather than pulling it apart, we're pushing it together. And of course at that point it's then under pressure while the glue dries. This is a really important part of the process. You can see 2 of them in position up there. In just a minute, when the top and the bottom are on, this is going to go in the back of the loudspeaker like this. As you can see, it's got a steel step like that. The idea behind that is it limits how much this can bend. Right here is where they make the 801. So the biggest, heaviest cabinet is the closest to the paint station.
Next, all 5 stereo models have gotten upgraded mid-range driver units. Now, the drivers are similar to the upgrades that they made when they did the D4 Signature Series models. So again, we're going to get less distortion and a more open sound. There's a new aluminum top plate with a damping collar that should specifically benefit the 803, 802, and 801 D5 models. And the idea is that it's going to support that mid-range and tweeter assembly better. So a more clean and clear and more open mid-range and high end is going to be the result. D5 also sports an upgraded rear-mounted crossover assembly. So instead of having the crossover components inside the cabinet, they're mounted on stiff aluminum rails on the back. So there's a twofold benefit. The air motion inside the cabinet, the air pressure changes don't have any influence on the crossover components. But secondly, there's a natural convection effect that's happening. As you start pounding away, heat builds up inside the cabinet. Well, it's no problem at this point for the crossover because it's external, so the heat can just rise naturally. The benefit, your music stays the same even as you're blasting away over time. Next benefit, you've got upgraded aluminum plinths with tuned mass damping in each of the floor standers. So the 804, 803, 802, and 801 D5 are going to get constrained layer damping materials plus harmonic absorbers that are individually tuned for each cabinet. So as you're pounding away with loud musical energy, it's not going to go into the floor and then feed back up into the cabinet. You'll hear clearer bass notes and better imaging too, as the dampers and absorbers dissipate mechanical energy that would otherwise feed back into the speaker. And there's one more benefit, specifically on the 804 D5. They've decoupled the mid range driver by using some thick aluminum bracing sections, essentially. So, what you're going to get is a more clear and open mid range. Think guitars, pianos, vocals for sure. Any mid range instrument is going to come through a little bit more clearly because of the decoupling from the rest of the cabinet and especially the bass generated energy. Bowers Wilkins is a brand that everybody familiar with premium speakers knows. And we're really excited because these are the best speakers that they know how to make. They're saying that this upgraded D5 product will show up probably in the September-October timeframe, and we can't wait. We'll let you know as soon as they do show up. We really want to thank you for spending some time with us today. We appreciate it a ton. We'd love to meet with you and discuss your interests, whether it's new speakers, receiver, new home theater, whatever it is. We've got stores in Timonium, Columbia, and Gaithersburg, Maryland, down in the Washington, D.C. market. You can also find out more about Bowers Wilkins and all of our great brands at Sky by Gramophone, where you're always going to get a secure checkout with fast and free shipping straight to your door. Thanks again for joining us. We look forward to seeing you at the next video.